Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. I'm tired today. I don't know why. I'm sleeping at night. I'm just tired. Let's get to the questions. First question. Did I just delete them all? Okay, no. First question is, I need to change my battery. That's not a question. That's what needs to be done. Hold, please. First question. What has been selling hot for you lately? Jeans have been selling hot for me lately. Jeans are really the only one thing in particular that I've noticed that I've sold a bunch of. It's kind of just been a mix. Like hoodies, sold a bra recently, you know, leggings, athleisure wear. It's pretty much just everything that's in my closet, but jeans. Yeah, to answer the question, jeans. Ooh, guys, I finally found a pair of Dojo jeans. Dojo jeans. Dojo jeans. So if you don't know what they are, they're a pair of jeans that are like elusive and I don't know, they're very popular because they sold within I think it was like an hour of me listing them, maybe like 2 hours. The brand is 7 for All Mankind and the style name is Dojo and they're like wide leg. I don't know. They're kind of long too. The inseam was 31 and a half, I think. But yeah, I found a pair of those recently at the thrift store and I was so excited. I showed my husband. He's like, what are those? I'm like, no, they're really popular. Trust me. He's like, okay. And when I sold them, he's like, okay, you're right. Next question, is the Posh affiliate program worth it? Okay, so if you don't know what it is, basically you have to be a Posh ambassador and then you can join the Posh affiliate program. What that means is that you can do kind of like sponsored posts for Poshmark almost. Basically you make a post, they have like different themes. So I can look right now and tell you what they got going on right now. You go to my seller tools, then you go to my campaigns. So right now they have a Facebook campaign open. It's called Why I Posh. And you just go to this and it'll give you like criteria, you know, like post ideas. What's your favorite thing about Poshmark? The selling, the shopping, the community, share a story, blah, blah, blah. Content examples, photo guidelines, caption guidelines. So they give you like a kind of like outline of what to post and then you post it and you get a whopping $5 Poshmark credit. Is that still it? Yeah. It's not even 5 actual bones. It's 5 Poshmark bones. So yeah, they used to give you actual money. And I did the campaigns when they gave you actual money. And the money that they used to pay you is based on your following. So I did a couple of YouTube campaigns and they paid me good. But now it's like $5. So yeah. I don't usually do them unless it's something that I'm going to post anyway. Like I won't go out of my way to take pictures and, you know, go by all the guidelines and the outline and the shit just for $5. It's not really worth it to me. So yeah, so that's my thoughts on that. It was a lot more fun back in the day, but I guess they opened it up to a lot more people and I don't want to spend a lot of money. Next question. What do you think about the shipping increase? I think buyers might like the free shipping option. Any thoughts you have? Thank you. I love your videos. Thank you, Maria. Okay, so the shipping increase, it happens every year. The USPS increases their shipping rates. So therefore Poshmark increases their shipping rates too. People freak out every year. They're like, oh my God, it went up 30 cents. My business is over. Oh my gosh. Like I've seen so many people flip out on Instagram and Facebook. It's like, this happens every year. It's fucking 30 cents. Like it's not the end of your business. I promise. So yeah, so that's my thoughts on that. As far as the free shipping option. So if you didn't know, or you might not have it yet. So a lot of you guys probably don't know. But Poshmark is now rolling out this feature to some users where you can offer free shipping when you list something. So, you know, traditionally you can offer free shipping when you create a bundle or when you send an offer to someone that has liked your item. But now you can just do it from the start when you create the listing. So I actually don't have that feature yet. So I don't know, exactly how it works. I don't know if it's like prominent in the listing that they offer free shipping. I don't know. I'm going to have to check it out. I do think that people will like that. I know I like free shipping. Like I could literally have a cart full of like, actually funny example. On the Lush website the other day, I wanted to order Valentine's Day stuff. Valentine's Day is in 2 days when I'm filming this, by the way. So yeah, was that yesterday? It was yesterday, the day before. So I was super late buying the Valentine's Day stuff. You want to buy the Valentine's Day stuff at Christmas, honestly, with Lush, like you want to buy it as soon as it comes out. And yeah, I was late on that. So I didn't really have much left, but I filled my cart. I was going to buy a bunch of other stuff and then I went to check out. There was an option for free shipping that would have taken longer. But my whole point is I literally had a cart full of like almost $200 worth of stuff. And then I saw the shipping. It was like maybe $10, I think it was, for like expedited shipping, I'm like, $10 where I have a cart full of like almost $200 worth of stuff. It was funny. But yeah, anyway, people like free shipping. So I do think that that will make people happy. Last question. Hey girl, I love your videos. I never miss a single one. I have to say I admire how dedicated you are to everything in your life, it seems. Your family, your YouTube, your reselling business. You are a superwoman and an inspiration for sure. Oh my gosh, Laura, you are so sweet. Thank you. That is seriously so sweet. Oh my gosh. You're gonna make me cry. Guys, oh, okay. Can I just hold on? I gotta remember who this was. Okay, so I was on Instagram the other day and I gotta shout her out. I'll link her Instagram down below. I gotta find the message. Hold on. There was this girl on Instagram and where is she? And her Instagram name is Brick Road Co. She posted a story or like a reel. Story, reel. I don't know. I'm not down with the Instagram lingo. I need to get more into Instagram. I really do. Anyway, she posted a video of her giving her plant a shower. And it made me cry. Like, it was just so sweet and just beautiful. I don't know. Maybe that's just postpartum, I was going to say hemorrhoids. Postpartum hormones. But it literally made me cry. It was so sweet. I don't know. It just made me cry. Why was I telling that story? Why was I telling that story? I was going to tell you guys that that comment almost made me cry, and then it just made me think of how I cried watching a freaking plant taking a shower. You guys, I don't know if she still has it. I'll link her Instagram down below, but you should go check it out if she still has it, because it was so sweet. Like, giving her plant a shower, and then she messaged me back and she's like, my kids are grown, you know, my plants are like my kids now. I'm like, oh, that's so sweet. Okay, this person's question. My question is, what is your biggest reselling mistake? So, I believe I've made a video talking about mistakes I've made. I'm going to do an updated video, but something that comes to mind, something that I've learned very recently, my kids are destroying the kitchen right now, I can hear it. Yeah, something that comes to mind. Hello? A big mistake I've made is... now they're raiding the pantry, is not cross-listing or not branching out to other platforms. Not necessarily just cross-listing, but not branching out to other platforms and other items to sell, I guess. So I currently sell, well, backing up, I did just sell, like previously, a month ago, 2 months ago? No, I started selling on eBay in December, so like 2 months ago. I was just selling on Poshmark. And then I came across this item that was selling crazy. Do you want me to open that for you? Yeah. What do you say? Hey, Mama. So cute. I started selling on eBay back in December. I came across this item that was just in demand, craziness. So yeah, I went to eBay, and then, yeah, it's only been a week, maybe a week and a half. I started selling on Mercari, and holy shitballs, Mercari. Holy shitballs, eBay too. Like, that's definitely my biggest mistake, just focusing on one platform for almost 2 years. I should have done shit sooner. I should have cross-listed sooner. I should have sold other items sooner. You know, if you're new to reselling, you know, maybe start out on one platform, you know, maybe start out on Poshmark, then once you get the hang of it, then go to other platforms. I was just too comfortable with Poshmark. I was like, oh, this is so easy. I love it. Like, every platform has their pros and cons. Like, for example, Mercari. Why can't you bundle on Mercari? Why? Oh my gosh, that's so annoying that you can't bundle on Mercari. I had this girl message me today. She's like, oh, she bought one thing, and then she's like, oh, can I cancel this? I want to buy a bunch of other things, but I don't want to pay, you know, shipping multiple times, even though I offer free shipping. So anyway, she wanted to make a bundle. So I'm like, so to make a bundle on Mercari, you just like create one listing. With Poshmark, it's so easy. You can just add the listings to a bundle. I don't know why Mercari doesn't implement that. I don't know, but they're their own platform. They can do what they want, I guess. And then with eBay, you got, you know, just crazy shit can go down on eBay. I suggest if you are just starting out, start on a one platform, you know, until you kind of get the hang of it, and then immediately diversify, because if you don't, you're missing out on shit. It's in the past. We're doing things today. We're cross-listing. We're diversifying. We're putting eggs in multiple baskets, and it's working out pretty well. That is it for this video. Hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. My code is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.